Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Ronar. Today we are going to study about the comparison of modern processor architecture. To compare the modern processor, we are taking Intel and AMD processor. In this presentation, we will compare the modern processor architecture of Intel and AMD, providing an in-depth analysis of their strengths and weakness in various aspects. Introduction. Before delivering into a species of each processor architecture, it's essential to understand the broader content of modern processor development and the significance of choosing the right architecture for specified computing needs. The introduction will set the stage for the detailed comparison ahead. Evolving a technological landscape. The digital world constantly demands more advancement and efficient processor power, making it vital to examine the Intel and AMD's current offering. Market impact. The competitiveness of these two gains has significant implication for consumer, business, and tech industry as a whole. Memory architecture. Now let us study about the memory architecture in terms of Intel and AMD's approach. Intel's approach. Intel's memory architecture is known for its reliability and compatibility with a wide range of devices and applications. AMD's approach has made strides in developing a more scalable and flexible memory architecture catering to diverse computing needs. Yeah, now let us study about the memory performance between two processors, Intel and AMD processor. Both Intel and AMD processor utilizes the DDR4 and DDR5 memory technology. Let us know about what is this DDR4 and DDR5 memory technology shortly. DDR4 refers to double data rate 4, a fourth generation DDR memory. Initially lower speed but evolved to a higher frequency. It ranges of 2133 megahertz to 3200 megahertz and beyond, and it actually transfers the data on both rising and falling edges of the clock signal, where DDR5 refers to double date rate 5 of fifth generation, introduces a high speed starting from 4800 megahertz expected to scale even higher, and it has an improved data transfer rate with a more advanced architecture. And while coming to memory performance of Intel, it supports a range of memory capacities and speed. And in terms of AMD, it offers a competitive memory speed and capacities. And in terms of Intel, it includes technologies like Intel Optane memory for cache acceleration. In terms of AMD, it utilizes the Infinity Fabric architecture, impacting the memory performance positively. Let us compare the speed of both processors, Intel and AMD. Intel known for a high clock speed, especially in a premium processor. A turbo boost technology dynamically adjusts the clock speed based on a workload at Intel, whereas AMD processor has a competitive base and boost clock speed. Precision boost technology dynamically adjusts the clock speed for optimal performance. Let us also see the expansion capabilities between Intel and AMD processor. Intel uses a PCIe for expansion slots, providing a high-speed connectivity. Intel supports the Thunderbolt technology for external device connection. Intel has a number of PCIe lanes varies depending on a processor model, whereas AMD uses PCIe for expansion slot supporting a high-speed data transfer may offer a competitive number of PCIe LANs, and it also uses some model support technologies like smart access memory for enhanced GPU performance. Power efficiency between the Intel and AMD processor. As you can see in the chart, the power consumption of efficiency comparison between Intel and AMD is shown in the graph. Intel optimizes for low power consumption and energy efficient performance, whereas AMD processor has efficient power management strategies and it has a dynamic power scaling capabilities. Yeah, now let us also compare the price between the two processors. Intel historically compete at a premium price, whereas AMD offers a competitive pricing with strong value proposition. As you can see in that figure, The Intel i9 of 24C and 32T ranges around $660 and the 16C 24T of i9 Intel Core ranges around $500, whereas AMD Core R9 16C 32T ranges around $700 and R9 12C 24T ranges around $550. Now let us know about the graphic performance of both the processor. Intel as an integrated graphic delivers solid performance for everyday computing and light gaming needs, whereas AMD processor as a discrete graphics support which provides a robot support for high-end discrete graphics card catering to demand a graphical workloads and gaming requirements. The key points is integrated graphic performance can vary between a specific Intel and AMD processor models. Both companies have made an advancement in improving the capability of integrated graphics over the years. For more demanding gaming or graphic intensive tasks, a dedicated graphics card is recommended as integrated graphics are generally designed for basic use. Yeah, finally now let us arrive at the conclusion of both the processor. In summary, Intel and AMD modern processor differ in memory support, clock speed management and expansion burst technologies. Both utilizes the DDR4 and DDR5 memory but have a unique features. Intel excels in clock speed with turbo boost while AMD precision boost adjusts dynamically. For expansion, both uses PCIe, but Intel may include Thunderbolt and AMD might support technologies like Smart Access Memory. The decision between Intel and AMD depends on individual needs. Considering the factors such as performance, budget, and usage preference, there is no one size fits all. It's about finding the right balance for a specific requirements. Thanks for watching the video till end. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos.